How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to change your Apple ID email. So the email linked to your Apple ID account. So you can easily choose another email that you have and link to your current Apple ID account. And the coolest thing about this process is you won't lose any data, nothing will change. It's a super simple tutorial that will just change the Apple ID email. And you can do it all from the iPhone. You don't need anything else, just a couple steps straight from the iPhone and you're good to go. Let me show you. So all you gotta do is tap on your settings, and then right there at the top you'll see this banner which will have your name and will say Apple ID. Tap on that and then tap on the first option, name, phone numbers, email. Tap on the first option, let it load, and then as you can see here there's this section that says contactable at, and then there will be an email, and right under it it'll say Apple ID. That's the one we're gonna change. That's the one we want to change, right? And then below that, if you have linked to your Apple ID, you may have your phone number and other emails, but those are unnecessary for this process. We don't want to deal with that. All we want to deal with is the Apple ID email that's linked to your account. And it's super easy to change. All you have to do is tap on the edit button right there, and then you'll see this red circle. Tap on that, and then you can tap on delete. As you tap on delete, you'll be prompted with this little pop-up that'll say, please choose another address to use as your Apple ID, which is exactly what we want. So we're gonna remove this one and add another email address to our Apple ID. Exactly what we want. Replace the old one with a new one. And as you can see right here, you must choose a new email address to use as your Apple ID before removing the old one, right? So continue, let it load, and then as you can see here, it'll ask you for your iPhone passcode. That's just a security feature, so you can type in your passcode and then tap on done. Let it do its thing, and then as you can see right there, new Apple ID. So here is where we're going to type in the new email address that you want to link to your Apple ID account. So as you can see, it says email, so that's where you're going to type it in. And right here we have a very important information. So this will be your new Apple ID. A verification code will be sent to this address. And this is important because naturally you can only use as your Apple ID email address an email that you own. And this will be checked by Apple. So when you type in right here your new email, they'll send a verification code, and only with that code you can actually link this new email to your Apple ID. So naturally, only use an email address that you own. And then all you have to do here is type in your new email address, tap on next, and as I just mentioned, Apple will send you a verification code that you're gonna type in on the next page, and then you're good to go. The new email address will be linked to your Apple ID. As easy as that. And as I said, you won't lose any of your data. You won't be needing to sync anything, nothing like that. It's just a simple switch from an old email address to a new one. And that's it. That's literally it. And I'll see you on my next video as usual. Bye bye.